Hi guys, welcome back to the Mad Laras. We have a super exciting thing to share with you this week, and we can't wait to get starting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So some of you might know that we reached our 500 subscriber goal, which wow, thank you guys. Thanks for subscribing to our channel and for the support and the love. We really do appreciate it. And now for the challenge. Okay, so for the 500 subscribers challenge, we decided to give a little bit back, especially the time of the year that it is. You know, it's January, and yeah, everyone's trying to recover from December, and we see so much need out there. So we decided to turn our 500 subscriber challenge into a giving challenge, where we're going to give back 500 times 5, which I'm going to explain to you now. Okay, so what I mean by that is that we're going to take 500 Rand 5 times and bless people that we feel like randomly. We haven't chosen anyone specific. We're going to bless people randomly with 500 Rand. Not necessarily cash. We are going to take the cash, and we're going to, like the kids want to buy toys for some of the kids at the robots who is sitting with their parents all day in the sun. We'll get some food, and we'll get some maybe some vouchers, but we're going to take all this and we are going to bless people 500. on our way to deliver our parcels. Are we excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Say thank you for following us. The first 500.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, you guys are awesome, and we
Love
are
you guys
on
so
our
much.
way to go deliver all our food parcels. Woohoo!
Thanks. Enjoy.
Alex, what's the plan this year? What's your plan?
My plan
Yes.
is to go and catch some fishes in Mozambique.
In Mozambique, you're gonna catch fish.
Yes. That's why I
Oh,
want to go and be whatever they
you wanna go home?
Yeah, by the sea.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't blame you, because I also want to live by the sea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alex. Bye. Kan ek asseblief 'n video neem?
Ja, jy mag maar met tannie.
Enjoy dit as kos.
Baie
Is jou right?
Yes, my tang. Ek
Okay.
waardeer dit baie, mag hier jou
Plesier.
sien.
Okay, dankie. Bye.
Bye julle. Bye.
There you go. He's got some food for you. Have you had any sales today?
Not even.
Not even one. And it's so hot.
Yes, I need to pay a shelter. You don't even have
I don't have cash. I only have food parcels. It's a pleasure.
But then,
I hope it helps. Oh, that's not my money. It's my child's
God
money.
is watching, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye.
what is it?
Die shelters, want nie almal van ons het elke dag die fooi om in te kan boek nie.
O my genade, moet jy betaal om daar te bly?
Ja tannie, dit is R25 per persoon, maar jy kry daarom 'n bord kos, 'n shower en 'n bed.
En wat het gebeur met jou neus?
Tannie, hulle het my 'n paar ander lelik seer gemaak op my kos en my komberse. Dis wat ek moet van voor af begin.
Oh my goodness. Het een van julle, Nika, gee vir hom sy hoed. Ja,
Baie dankie tannie.
want die son is hektiek.
Ayena, baie dankie.
As hy sterkte, Christian.
Dankie tannie.
Kyk.
Sien dit af tannie.
Kyk nou mooi na jou goed, né?
Ja tannie.
Kyk.
Kom ek nie meer al bo tussen baie mense. Ek maar eerder hier onder alleen op my eie.
Ai, Christian, dit klink hektiek.
Baie dankie.
Kyk. Bye, sterkte.
Terug tannie.
Bye. How are you? What you doing?
My husband for
Something to eat.
Even for the shelter, mommy, where we are sleeping.
You're also going to the shelter. Here's some food for you.
God bless you.
What's your name?
Rodney. Zex.
Zach.
Yeah, Zex.
Zaxon.
Yeah.
So we're just giving out some food.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
What work do you do?
I doing even cleaning the gardens and then
Okay.
tree cuttings, and then we do tree fellings.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
But we are looking for a job.
For jobs, yeah, no. You know, January, no one has
Yeah,
money, eh?
maybe December times it's better.
Oh, but
these days,
January
yeah.
is terrible.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
everybody has to send their kids back to school.
Yeah.
Well, there's some food for you, okay?
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Yeah,
much.
thank
Enjoy
you,
your
thank
day.
you. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Bye, pleasure, bye.